Today we're taking a close look at Duda, one of the leading website builders available today. If you're searching for an intuitive platform that offers plenty of design flexibility, you come to the right place. Duda is popular for its easy-to-use interface and powerful features, which cater to both beginners and more experienced users. Once you sign up and log in, you'll be greeted by the main dashboard. Duda's layout is clean and straightforward, making it easy to navigate through your projects. From the dashboard, you can either start a new project or manage existing ones. The process of creating a new website is simple, with several templates available to choose from. These templates are professionally designed and cover a wide range of industries, so you'll likely find something that suits your business or personal project. One of the standout features of Duda is its drag-and-drop editor. It allows you to make changes to your website in real time without needing to code. This is especially beneficial for beginners, as it eliminates the need to understand complex web design principles. You can move elements around, add new sections, and customize the look of your site all with a few clicks. Duda also shines in its customization options. You can adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to create a truly unique site. The platform even includes a feature for creating custom breakpoints for mobile design, ensuring your site looks great on any device. In fact, mobile optimization is one of Duda's strengths. Each design automatically adapts to mobile screens, but you can further fine-tune it if needed. Another great feature is the ability to add widgets to your site. Whether you want to add social media links, contact forms, or Google Maps, Duda offers a wide selection of widgets that can easily be integrated into your design. There's also a built-in e-commerce functionality for users looking to sell products online. You can set up your store, manage inventory, and handle payments directly from the platform. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. This could be helpful for exploring additional web development tools or learning about specific features I mentioned. When it comes to pricing, Duda offers several plans depending on your needs. The plans are reasonably priced considering the range of features included. There's also a 14-day free trial, which gives you plenty of time to test out the platform and see if it meets your expectations. In conclusion, Duda is a solid choice for anyone looking to build a website, whether you're a beginner or someone with more technical skills. Its powerful tools, ease of use, and flexibility make it an excellent option. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews of website builders and other tools.